Frustrated by the D3D Compiler 46 DLL crashes? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and we're going to re-register those gaming components today. This DLL file is the DirectX Shader Compiler for version 11.0. It is responsible for converting high-level shader code into instructions for the graphics card, enabling advanced lighting and shadow effects in games. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. The D3D Compiler 46 DLL is a standard component within most gaming graphics runtimes. You can resolve this by installing the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to restore legacy D3DX and X input files, and updating your GPU drivers if the error involves OpenGL, OpenCL, or CUDA. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the D3D Compiler 46 file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Keep in mind that the D3D Compiler 46 DLL must be properly synchronized with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping a file rarely addresses the root cause of the initialization failure. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. Review options for improving system stability and resource management by consulting the diagnostic information linked below for the D3D Compiler 46. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure DirectX End-User Runtime remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.